The only 5 exercises you need to do after age 40. Imagine a life where you feel strong, confident, and energized every single day, without spending hours at the gym. What if I told you there are only 5 exercises you need to stay fit, maintain your balance, and even look younger as you age? These aren't just random moves. They're the foundation of lifelong fitness, targeting the key muscles that keep you moving and feeling your best. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, these exercises will transform the way you work out. So stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful, simple routine that can take your fitness to the next level. Let's dive right in. Number 1, push-ups, the ultimate upper bodybuilder. Push-ups are a powerhouse exercise that engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously, making them one of the most effective moves for building upper body strength. But there's more. Push-ups also improve posture and help develop the functional strength required for daily activities. How to perform push-ups properly. 1. Starting position. Begin in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body straight from your head to your heels, engaging your core. 2. Lowering phase. Slowly lower your torso by bending at the elbows, maintaining a 45-degree angle from your body. Avoid flaring your elbows outward, as this can strain your shoulders and reduce effectiveness. Lower until your chest is just above the ground. 3. Pushing phase. Push yourself back up to the starting position while maintaining a straight body line. Keep the movement controlled and steady. Tips for maximizing benefits: perform the exercise slowly and with control to target muscles effectively. Beginner modification. Try incline push-ups by placing your hands on a raised surface like a bench or table. Advanced variations. Wide stance push-ups. Place your hands further apart to target your chest more. Diamond push-ups. Bring your hands together under your chest to form a diamond shape, focusing on your triceps. Incorporate push-ups into your workout routine, and you'll soon notice improvements in strength, posture, and everyday physical performance. Number 2, Romanian deadlift. Balance can be tricky to maintain as we get older, but it's also one of the easiest things to improve. The single-leg Romanian deadlift targets your hamstrings, hips, and lower back, while boosting your strength, flexibility, and balance. It's a powerful, all-in-one exercise for your lower body that I believe should be in everyone's workout routine. How to perform the RDL. Start by keeping your back straight and your feet hip-width apart. Shift your weight onto one foot, keeping a slight bend in your knee. From here, hinge at the hip and lower your torso forward, straightening the other leg behind you as you bring your hands toward the floor. Make sure your back stays straight and your core stays engaged throughout the movement. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat. If you're new to this, start with just your body weight. As you become more comfortable, you can add dumbbells to increase the resistance and challenge yourself further. Number 3, plank. At number 3, we have a classic exercise that you've definitely seen before, but I'm positive you've been doing it wrong your whole life. I'm going to show you the correct way to maximize its effectiveness and prevent injuries. First up, we have the plank. If you've never tried this exercise, now is the perfect time to start. The plank strengthens your abs, shoulders, back, glutes, and most importantly, your core. It's simple but highly effective, and the best part is, there are plenty of variations to keep things interesting. A strong core is essential for basic movements like standing upright, bending over, and lifting safely. Without it, efficiency and safety can take a hit. How to perform the plank. Begin by lying face down on the floor. Position your wrists and elbows directly under your shoulders to support your body. As you lift your body off the ground, keep it straight from your head to your heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Be mindful not to let your shoulders or hips sag. Hold this position for as long as you can. Aim for 20 to 30 seconds at first, then gradually increase your time. It'll be tough in the beginning, but don't worry. You'll quickly build strength and it will get easier over time. If you find the traditional plank too hard or too easy, here are some variations you can try. Knee plank, ideal for beginners. Keep your knees on the ground, but maintain a straight line from your head to your knees. Side plank. Lie on your side, stack your feet, and support your body on your forearm. Lift your hips so your head, torso, and feet form a straight line. This targets your obliques and builds strength in those muscles. Number 4, kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing is one of the best exercises you can do for strength and cardio all in one. It works your glutes, hamstrings, core, and even your shoulders while getting your heart rate up fast. So if you want to burn calories in a short amount of time, this is the exercise you're looking for. How to perform the kettlebell swing. Start by placing your feet shoulder width apart and holding the kettlebell securely with both hands. Swing the kettlebell back between your legs as you hinge at your hips. Then, use the momentum from your hip drive to elevate the kettlebell to chest height. Allow it to swing back down naturally while keeping control. It's important to use your hips rather than your arms to ensure that the exercise stays safe and efficient. At first, it may feel a little weird, but as you practice, it will become more natural. Kettlebell swings have many advantages outside of the gym, such as increased hip strength and mobility, which are necessary for running, jumping, and simply getting out of a chair quickly. Number 5, horse stance. Though it might look simple, this exercise can dramatically improve your entire body when done consistently, especially in the morning. The horse stance primarily engages your legs, glutes, and core, making it a hidden gem for building lower body strength and stability. How to perform the horse stance. Start with your feet wider than shoulder width apart and your toes pointed slightly outward. Begin to squat down until your knees form a 90-degree angle. Throughout the movement, keep your core tight and your back straight. Once you're in position, hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. For an added challenge as you improve, hold a small weight at chest level. It might look easy at first, but trust me, after about 15 seconds, you'll definitely feel it. One of the unique benefits of the horse stance is that it not only strengthens your lower body, but also helps with concentration and focus, as maintaining the position requires mental discipline. Workout routine suggestion. For optimal results, follow this routine 3 days a week. Be sure to have a rest day between workouts to allow your body to recover and strengthen. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Single leg RDLs, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Planks, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Kettlebell swings, 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Horse stance, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Tips for success: maintain proper form to avoid injury and maximize benefits. Gradually increase duration or resistance as you gain strength. Listen to your body and adjust reps or rest as needed. Are you ready to take your fitness to the next level? Give this routine a shot and feel the transformation. So which exercise did you like the most? Let us know in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Check out our other videos on the screen now for even more ways to take your fitness journey to the next.